Imagine restoring your vitality, your confidence, your performance, naturally, without relying on medication. What if I told you that a single glass of a natural juice, made from ingredients you probably already have at home, could significantly improve your blood flow, cardiovascular function, and yes, your sexual performance? And today, I want to share a powerful, research-backed recipe to enhance your sexual health, support your cardiovascular system, and elevate your overall well-being. This is not a gimmick or quick fix. It's rooted in solid science and supported by clinical insights. But before we get into the recipe, let's talk about why this matters. Erectile dysfunction is not merely a performance issue. It's often a vascular warning sign, indicating that your arteries are beginning to narrow or lose flexibility. The penis, like the brain and heart, relies on unrestricted blood flow to function optimally. When that flow is compromised by atherosclerosis or plaque buildup, the result is poor circulation, and in turn, poor erection quality. In essence, your erection is a reflection of your cardiovascular health. Thankfully, nature gives us tools. From a physiological standpoint, we depend heavily on nitric oxide, NO, a molecule produced in the body that relaxes blood vessels, allowing improved blood flow. Enhancing nitric oxide levels naturally is one of the most effective, sustainable ways to improve vascular and sexual health. Allow me to introduce a functional juice that promotes nitric oxide bioavailability using nitrate-rich, anti-inflammatory, and vasodilating ingredients. Here's how it works, and then I'll give you the precise formula. When we consume nitrate-rich foods like cucumber, these compounds interact with specific bacteria in the oral cavity, yes, your mouth, to convert nitrates into nitrites, which then further convert into nitric oxide in the stomach and bloodstream. This natural process is essential to vascular health. And that brings me to an important insight. Routinely using antiseptic mouthwash, something as common as your daily rinse, can actually hinder this biological conversion process. Studies have shown that antiseptic mouthwash kills the beneficial oral microbiota responsible for converting dietary nitrates into nitric oxide. This can result not only in elevated blood pressure, but compromised blood flow where it matters most, including to the penis. It's a connection worth acknowledging if you truly care about your vascular and sexual health. Now, let's talk about the juice. The first powerhouse ingredient, one whole cucumber. Cucumber is a natural source of dietary nitrates. These assist in regulating the endothelial function of your blood vessels, optimizing vasodilation through nitric oxide production. Next, a quarter of a watermelon, including the green rind. Most people don't realize that the rind is rich in citrulline, an amino acid shown in multiple studies to not only boost nitric oxide production, but also improve erection hardness in men with mild erectile dysfunction. Citrulline, once ingested, converts to arginine, a critical nitric oxide precursor. Add to that one whole lemon, with the peel included. Lemon peel is rich in hesperidin and diosmin, two bioflavonoids with powerful antioxidant and vasoprotective properties. These compounds assist in maintaining healthy blood vessels, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting smoother circulation to sensitive tissues. To round out the flavor and power, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. But this isn't just for taste. Unlike refined sugars, raw honey boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, including flavonoids that support cardiovascular health and immune resilience. Here's what to do. Blend all ingredients, cucumber, watermelon with rind, lemon with peel, and honey, into a smooth juice. Do not strain it. The fiber present plays an essential role in gut health and nutrient absorption, which affect hormonal stability and inflammation control. Drink 1 glass per day, preferably in the morning, or about an hour before physical activity for maximum benefit. You can have a second glass, but make sure it's not too close to bedtime. This juice has a mild diuretic effect, and you don't want to be waking up all night just to use the bathroom. Now, let me be absolutely clear. This juice can become a powerful ally, but it is not a magic solution. You could drink this juice daily, prepare it perfectly, and even source all your ingredients organically. But if your lifestyle remains toxic, the results will be limited. If you truly want to see vibrant changes in your performance, your vitality, your confidence, you must adopt a comprehensive lifestyle approach. What does that look like? It means cutting out ultra-processed foods. I'm talking about those colorful snacks and sugary confections that have become cultural staples but are nutritional disasters. Processed chips, cookies, industrial biscuits, soft drinks, all these contribute to systemic inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and vascular damage. You don't have to live like a monk. But if your diet consists mostly of processed junk, don't be surprised when your erections weaken, your energy vanishes, or chronic illness catches up with you. The body keeps score. A healthy sex life begins with a healthy circulatory system, and that, in turn, is supported by daily choices: high-quality sleep, regular physical activity, moderated alcohol, zero tobacco, healthy stress management, and positive, meaningful relationships. If you're suffering from poor erections, low energy, or any lifestyle-related illness, the solution doesn't come in the form of a miracle pill or a magic drink. It comes through self-responsibility and functional choices repeated daily. And remember, your health is not something you gamble with. It's something you intentionally cultivate every single day, through the foods you eat, the movement you engage in, the people you surround yourself with, and the choices you make when no one is watching. This juice I shared with you today is not a gimmick. It's a tool, one of many, that, when combined with the right habits, can help restore what time, stress, and poor choices may have taken away. But in the end, it's your consistent action, not just information, that leads to transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't just click away. Take one small step toward a healthier version of yourself today. Prepare the juice. Avoid the ultra-processed snacks. Go for a walk. Reclaim your sleep. Say yes to your health and no to the excuses. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm here every week to give you real, science-backed solutions for better living, naturally, effectively, and without empty promises. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and take charge of your health, because you deserve nothing less.